How to unlock Cash App Green status. So Cash App has been rolling out a massive makeover lately, changing out both the layout and how things work behind the scenes. If you watched my older videos, you'll instantly notice the dashboard looks a bit different now. But don't stress, your main cash balance is still sitting right at the top where it always is. The biggest update you need to know about, though, is this new feature right underneath your balance, Cash App Green. On my account, you can see my status is currently locked in through January 31st. I'm definitely trying to maintain this tier because the benefits are too good to pass up. Let's tap right into the Green Status Earned tab so I can map out exactly how this works for you. Essentially, keeping this status active month to month comes down to a simple choice between two routes. Your first option is setting up direct deposit and getting at least $300 in qualified paychecks sent to your account each month. If you don't want to do that, your second option is just hitting a $500 monthly spending threshold on your physical Cash App card. Do either one of those, and you're automatically in. So what makes hitting these goals actually worth your time? Let's check out the perks line by line. Tap on See Other Ways to Qualify. For starters, you unlock 5 personalized offers every single week. These are those instant cash back boosts you can apply to your debit card. On top of that, it bumps your savings account up to their absolute highest tier, which is paying out a really competitive 3.5% interest rate right now. You also put yourself in a position to get higher limits on Cash App Borrow, assuming the feature's live in your state. If you're curious about how that lending system works, I actually have a deep dive tutorial on my channel that breaks it all down. Finally, the safety nets are great. You get free overdraft protection for emergency coverage, 0 fees on in-network ATM cash withdrawals, free paper money deposits at retail locations, and you get fast-track to priority phone support when you need to speak with a real person. And that is pretty much the lowdown on the new Cash App Green system. Hopefully this clears up the layout changes and gives you a game plan to grab those rewards. Now, if you want to skip the direct deposit route and just fund your account manually to hit that monthly spending target, make sure to check out my step-by-step guide on how to transfer money to Cash App from a debit card. I'll have that linked right on the screen for you. Thanks for hanging out today, and I'll see you in the next one.